Hi everyone, it's me again, Maria, and in today's video, I'm gonna taking you behind the scenes as I created my very first ebook using AI, specifically ChatGPT and Canva. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how I'm doing it, a step by step, and share the purpose behind this project. Whether you're looking to create your own ebook for digital sales, marketing, or just to share your knowledge, so this guide will help you to get started. But before we jump into asking ChatGPT for help, there is an important step that we can't skip: choosing the right topic. Your ebook needs to solve a real problem for your audience. If people don't get value from it, they won't buy it, right? So ask yourself, what is your ebook about? What's the problem does it solve? Remember, if you can find a problem and create a solution, your ebook, my ebook, will have a much better chance of success. Right? Now that we got this covered, without any further ado, let's dive in and let's go into my computer. Alright, so now we are here in ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to create an ebook. So like what I've told you, you have to be specific on what niche that you want to create that can help people to solve their problem. So I write it, I want to create an ebook for starting YouTube channel 2025. This ebook mostly dedicated to beginners starting zero on YouTube. This is my prompt. And the ChatGPT gave me this response. So that's a solid approach. So it's my personal journey that I want to make an ebook so that it can relate to other and inspired, especially for beginners. So you could structure it into sections like this. So this is how it looks like once they ChatGPT structured your niche. So the title is starting your YouTube channel in 2025 from zero skills to success with AI tools. So here is the introduction. Here are the chapters of your ebook. So now we all have our outline of what is our ebook all about. So next, what we're gonna do here is we're going to ask ChatGPT to write. It's all up to you guys if you want thousands or hundreds. So I just want to make write 500 words for each chapter. Okay, so I have 7 chapters, so I asked ChatGPT to write at least 500 words for each chapters of the book. So I'm gonna click enter and let's see how it looks like. Alright, now you see guys, it's creating 500 words for each chapter. So you can make it short, you can make it long, it depends on you. Just be specific on how many words that you want it for each chapter. So next, what I'm going to do here is we're not going to copy all of this, right? So we have to make this your words, not ChatGPT, because this is not you talking about. This is the AI that expand the chapters of your book. So what we're gonna do here is you're gonna make it your own. So reading this, you can change some of these paragraphs or sentences to make it your own. And number 2 is we're going to bring all of these chapters to make sure that we're not plagiarizing any of these paragraphs or sentences. So you can use Grammarly. There's so many plagiarism detector there that you can use. And then we're going to Canva. Alright, and then here, since if this is your first time creating your ebook in Canva, you can type here like ebook so that you can get an idea of the cover and everything. So here is the cover of the book, so you can just choose which one do you like here. For example, you want to use this one, you can customize this template. And here you go. So here are contents, here is the page. You can, of course you cannot use as this, right? So you have to customize this. You can change the color of this. For example, you want to change the color of this just like that. So you can change this one and you go to your download and put your pictures just like that. Or you can just say remove the background if you don't want a background, just you. but you can only use the background remover if you are in a program. But you can also do that to other site which is free, and then you can just download it to Canva, just like that. So I'm just showing you guys some idea, and then you can change it and you can write your name. Okay, there are a lot of things for you guys to work on this, because you need to customize this and then put the table of contents for your chapters here. You can just use this one or change everything. So this is how you can create your own ebook inside of ChatGPT and Canva. Then that's it. You can use this Canva templates for your ebook.